In today's video, I'll show you how to run private and uncensored local AI model. 100% no filter and no tracking. You can use on your own computer without internet. Open up Chrome and search LM Studio. Select the official site and select download for Windows. Once download done, you need to install it like a normal application. Once installed done, search LM Studio and then select this model search and check my video description for this text. Copy the first text and paste it in model search. Select the model and select download 3.86 GB. Once the download done, select use in new chat and now you can ask whatever you want. You can also use the same model which is better than the one we are using. Check my video description for this text and go to model search, paste the same text we copied and press enter. You can able to see 42,000 people downloaded. Select the download option and same way use a new tab and you can use this model and this is more powerful. And don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.